It's running.
Trolls, trolls, give me the trolls. Time to kill Monsters. No, you run back in your house. No, I kill. I killed the babies, but I gotta find the father. Father! I got the draw. One step. Woo! Into my horse. I'm the king troll. Uh-oh, the king troll. Run! Yeah! The king troll is coming. Ah! Yeah! Run, horsey, run! I'm back to my house now, 3 days later. Hi, brother! I slayed the Mr. Troll! You're the troll. You're my friend. You're my brother.
You're so awesome.
You're so brave.
And it was so...
They're coming!
Yeah!
Get the gun! They're attacking! Let's hold the bomb. The king is coming! Run as fast as you can! Gonna run through! Get the army guns! They're coming! They're coming with a bigger strip! Run! It's right across in front of us! Turn around! Turn as fast as you can! They're attacking! No! This way! Onto the boat!
The troll stabbed me.
Got all their army guns and everything.
We're monsters.
We're awesome! The army! Dudes! Come back here! You troll! I stole stuff from your sheep! And I'm gonna get you!
And I ate them. Now it's still growing. Skin back. Reaching out is growing my skin back.
You won't believe how amazed I am. The movie's about to end where I die. What a day it has been. A troll is coming! In a fast way! 1, 2, 3, we bow. 1, 2, 3. No, we both bow. No. 1, 2, 3. The end. Now there's another Part 2 coming up next. Here he goes. Look at me. Here. Hey, no matter you at here. No, Austin, you're leaving your ship. No, you're not leaving your ship. You're driving your ship to where you belong. And I was following you secretly. Hi, features. I hate cards. I hate cards. Put my invisible cloak on. I'm invisible. You like this? Me invisible. Bye-bye. He hears my footsteps, but he'll never get me. Help! We're still in our cloaks. And you hear footsteps. Invisible people, you'll never get me. Now time to slay the king. The king will die of all pests. Oh no! I cut your arm off. Ow! I still can live. Back to the ship. Drive, driver, drive! Whoever was touching us, the movie's over, Austin. That is the next one. The end. Part 3. Only 4 parts. Why are you moving my ship? Why are you moving my ship? I am really mad at these trolls. They're taking over my planet Earth. Okay. Die. I will slay the rest of them. Creepy looking, if you can see. Part 3. The people of American defeat the trolls.